Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video, we have completed the room registration part. So the room registration part, we haven't closed. We have closed the okay. Room registration part we have completed. How to register a room, how to view the rooms, all of the things we have completed. In this video, the user registration part, all the things we have to do it later on. Now let's moving to the e-commerce. So e-commerce mean we have to move into the once you register the room, we need to see the rooms in the e-commerce website. So here, what you're going to do is I'm going to go to Google and type. Simply, we no need to design this all things. Only the developers are doing like this. Bootstrap e-commerce template. Templates free. You have a plenty of templates. You can see that plenty of templates are there from online. Is the starter template. So there are plenty of templates. You can getting from one of these and use them. Okay, get it one from one of these and you can use them. Okay, this is the nice one. Okay, this is a nice template. So I like to use this one. So here this is the thing. It's a simple template. You can have it. So what you're going to do is you're just hit download button. Click on this. This is the if you want to see the live, you can see the live also. You will be able to see the live also how the lives working. It's a lives working look like this. So this is I recommend this one is the best. So what you're going to do is I just go here, view the source here, just click free download. So here view the source code. You will be able to view the source code as well. So GitHub they are given all the source code, all the steps, process started and working. So if you want the free download here, if you click on the free download, it will be free downloaded. What you can see. Now you click on this after downloaded, open the folder. Now what you're going to do is here, I'm going to go to this startup pages. This is folder. I'm going to extract it. This one I'm going to this is the folder. Okay, this you can see this all the asset. You have to put it to our website. So here this is the look like. Okay, so how to add this folder? This is all the files into my web page. So let's do it. So this is our backend part. So this is our backend part, the administration, all the things are there here. Okay, now what you are going to do is I'm going to go to put into this files to open up our web page. So what you're going to see, I'm going to create a new controller. This controller I'm going to call it as home controller. Home controller I have created. After that I'm going to create here as a home controller. I want to put into this page. Okay, so what you're going to do is I'm going to go to do the thing is okay, this is a template you have downloaded. So here is the downloaded things. Let go here. I already extracted this one. This is starter template. Here I have to go inside. So you have a assert css js index. This is all the file. I just copy it. You have to go. This is your Laravel project. So I'm going to select this project. Here we have to go to this app, this project. I want to go inside this public folder. I have to paste this public folder. So right click. You have to open up this one as a reveal in file explorer. You have to go to the this public folder. This public folder you have to paste it. This all things are coming here. It's all things are there at the public folder, right? So what you're going to do is now, what you're going to do is here you can see this public folder. We having everything. So this is everything. This is your index page. This is all the HTML page. So now I want to, when the page is loaded, I want to load it at the this here where the home page. So how to load the home page? So here you can see here I want to go to the resources, views. Here you have to welcome.blade.php. Here, instead of that, I'm going to do the another one is I want to put it here as the views. Here I'm going to another one is here called as home.blade.php. So sorry, not this folder. This is not photo folder. This is a file. Home.blade.php. This file I'm going to paste them here. I just Control C to copy, Control A to select, Control C to copy, Control V to paste over here. Everything I have pasted. You can see all things I have pasted successfully. File save all. If everything pastes successfully here, you can the link successfully paste over here. This all things. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my resources folder. Where's my resources folder? Sorry, routes web. Here I want to open up this one. So I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to copy this one. So it's hotel. So this one should be the home. So home. So here we have to get home. Get home is slash. We don't need this one slash. But comment it instead of the welcome. So you have to go to the open up the home control. So you just copy it, paste it over here. I already created a home controller. So where is reside on here is home controller. Rename it, paste on it over here. Okay, so here it goes to the when the control is coming slash hotel controller, it goes to sorry here, this one. Get this one slash. This one should be the not a hotel control, is the home controller. It goes to the home controller index action method. File save all. Now what you're going to do is your home controller home control index action method. So here we have to what you're going to do is here we have to do this method. I'm going to call it over here. Here you have to write return view. Just you have to check it. This is one should be there. So here where's the page which is a home. Just say home. Sorry, home. Okay. So let's save all. When the request is coming slash it goes to the home control index action method. It goes to the home controller index action. It's bring to the view home it's coming to this page and open up. So let's save all and bring back to the application, check it. It's working. Try this home control home. Here it's working. It's working successfully here. It's working successfully here. This is your home page. Here this is your home page. Here you will be able to do all the modification part, everything you have to set it over here, everything. Okay, so this is your home page. Okay, so here we have a we have to set this page. Also we have to do separate this one. Here we have a separate. You have to call another folder master blade.php. Here what I did here is I'm going to call this separate everything. This header section. Okay, the header section. This everything header and footer, everything is just copy this. You paste on here the master. The body section I have to remove this everything. Sorry, only leave the this one new bar starting here, closing here. Okay, this header section. Okay, the section only we have this header. So after the section only, getting the section. This one I want to cut off. Cut off. Okay, cut off. This one you have to paste it on here. Here the home.a.php. So how to do the things is here. I want to the same but the rooms we have did it. Here the same thing. Extend this one same thing. You have to put it here the home also. Extend here not layouts. Simply you have to call this one as a master. Master. Okay, this one should be the content. This is a content section. This master. So everything is there in master. So after that, what I did is what rooms. The section is open here. End section. Master end section. Sorry. The home. Yeah, section is started. Section is closed. It okay. The section content. The section content. So it's here. After that, what you are going to here we have to call as is a heel content. What's called as these are the heel content. Heel content. You just copy it. Just put it first on it the master page. In between header and footer, this is the heel content. Control S to save. Now let's bring back to the application and check it. It's working. It's working. Right, so it's the problem. Doc type. Here is doc type. Okay. Now it's working. This is how we have customized the template. This is how we have customized the template. In our next video, we have to customize this everything. Okay, we have to show all the hotels details and everything in my next video. I hope you can understand that. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here this all the things we can change it. Okay, but you will like. Okay, thank you.